honest, they're just acting. But judging by this video, this strange and twisted reaction is definitely not what they had planned on that night.
Octopuses are vulnerable to the effects of pollution and don't acclimate well in unfamiliar territory, which could be the reasons why they're only based in Australia. Number 1. Great white shark. Although it would be an amazing spectacle in the aquarium, the great white shark just can't flourish in a tank. The longest surviving great white shark in captivity lasted a mere 16 days despite many different institutions trying to help. The great white shark is known for swimming hundreds of kilometers over the span of a few days. The lack of frequent and exercise in a tank affects their contentment and mood. The great white shark is...
Oh, you love your daddy. You do, don't you? Yeah? Why are you covering your face? Do you not want to be on the camera, boy? Do you not? Do you not? Is it the torch? Just can't be bothered. You purr, baby. You're just purring all the time. You just a purr, boy. Oh, where are you taking him? Is that Daddy? Where am I going? Where am I going? Flooded everywhere. Just washed down here. I've got that area to clean. And that's all from behind the washing machine. It's disgustingly mouldy. Yeah. We'll pull that out. Oh, I found my glasses. What the heck? I was wearing them not long ago. Oh, I must have just knocked them down there. Might as well. Oh, that come out. I bled. I cut myself twice. But yeah, washing machine was there. We've got no washing machine at the moment. Little amount of washing plus the towels I put in the hallway to dry in our main hallway. Tissue to go in the bin. But yeah. Bucket because I had my foot in there to soak it. So Jamie had to get glass out my foot. But I got glass in both feet. Jamie's nice clothes he likes to chuck on the floor. And we're watching the England Family, I am. There's Jace, Sarah, and Chris.
My name's Sarah. I'm doing this today. I like a glove. My name's Sarah. I like that camera. My name's Sarah. This is Mom, Father. I like to fill balls with my gloves. Yes, very nice. And I like to motivate before bed. Yeah.
The Coca-Cola advert. So I'm watching
About time for our first Christmas story, and the festive season is
TV.
sorted for Stephen Lincoln Thompson.
I'm watching the news just because I really want to see the Coca-Cola advert. Hope it's on in the break. Love them shelves like that, and I've put the advent calendar and my advent calendar with my New Year one, Jamie's one, and Jamie's other one. I got two up there. 1, 2. But yeah, with these. And there's the cat advent calendar. So happy with the shelf. And apart from the dishes, they're from today. Nice and clean. We got doing that on Christmas Eve. It's a gingerbread house. I got this for Belle. Put with it some meat. So it's with turkey and Cadbury's. It's like sauce, starch sauce thing. And I'm gonna mix it with some wet with some meat, chicken, turkey, and all that. And why is that all the way up? Oh, sugar. There we go. That's better. That's better. But yeah, can't believe yeah, there's a bit of mould down there, but I bleached it, tried to get up as much as I can. I've now just got to wait for the washing machine, new washing machine. It's completely gone. We was going to get rid of it. That was the floor colour, mainly from behind this, because it hadn't been washed. And behind this hasn't been washed for a while. And behind that, this was washed. And that was washed behind before my birthday.